India has shocked the world again, but this time with an engine, not a weapon. India has once again stunned the world, but this time not with guns or missiles, but with an engine. And not just any engine. We're talking about the Rafale fighter jet engine. French aerospace giant Safran has officially announced that the servicing, repair, and overhaul of Rafale's engines will now be done right here in India. And even the United States rethinking its stance, especially after the US backed out of engine deals with India for the Tejas fighter jet. It's a symbol of India's rising self-reliance, its deepening strategic partnerships, and its emergence as a global defense powerhouse. Why? Because of concerns about tech theft and IP violations. After all, setting up a manufacturing unit in India means relying heavily on Indian engineers and technicians. It shows how the same foreign companies that once hesitated to enter India are now willing to manufacture and produce their most critical components within India. Not only that, but in the near future, manufacturing of these engines may also begin on Indian soil. Now, the company is establishing a new entity in India called Safran Aircraft Engine Services India, which is set to become a major defense and aerospace hub. A massive new Safran unit is being set up in Telangana, which is quickly turning into a defense manufacturing hub. This marks a major leap forward for Make in India, one that has left China uneasy, Pakistan nervous. For context, Safran is the same French company that designed engines for advanced fighter aircraft like the Rafale. But this is not just another factory. France, a leading European country, has historically been hesitant, as have other European nations, to allow sensitive technology into Indian hands. Now, that work will be done in Hyderabad, saving cost, time, and most importantly, giving Indian engineers hands-on experience with some of the world's most advanced aero engines. But that mindset is now changing. Europe is slowly starting to trust India, and this latest move by Safran is a big step in that direction. In the beginning, the new facility will focus on servicing, repairing, and overhauling Rafale's M88 engines, which were previously sent to France. The first unit manufactures electrical harnesses for Rafale and LEAP engines. The second produces turbine components for the LEAP engine, an engine known for its efficiency and eco-friendliness. In other words, Telangana is quickly turning into a French tech powerhouse, and this is just the beginning. This is Safran's third unit in Hyderabad. Safran's senior executive, Pierre Fernandez himself, confirmed that they received outstanding support from the Telangana government and are fully committed to making India a global aerospace hub, and it's not just speculation. Until now, India mainly exported weapons systems that were either designed domestically or made under license from Russia. But now, key parts of one of the world's most advanced jets will be made in India and shipped abroad, generating huge revenue. But the story doesn't end here. It gets even bigger. This month, Dassault Aviation and Tata Advanced Systems signed 4 major production transfer agreements. Under these agreements, the structural sections of the Rafale, particularly the fuselage, will be built in India. Not just for the Indian Air Force, but for export markets as well. By 2026, hiring will be complete, and the number of jobs could exceed 750 in the following years. India will gain technical know-how in servicing and maintaining advanced engines, laying the foundation for indigenous engine development. That's a huge win for India. Yes, you heard that right. Rafale components manufactured in India will be exported worldwide. If companies like Safran are now building MRO centers here, it means they truly trust Indian talent and engineering expertise. As long as they stay, India will ensure every part they make carries the Make in India stamp. Today, India's defense exports stand at approximately 23,600 crore. But with developments like these, this figure could skyrocket, taking India's global defense market share to new heights. More importantly, India will gain global recognition. Until now, people said India buys Rafales. Soon, they'll say India builds Rafales. A trust built at a time when no one else was ready to supply India with critical engine technology. Think about it. French technology is coming to India. Rafale engines are being serviced in India. And now even the jet's structural components are being made here. But while India celebrates, some countries are growing restless. China is the first. It calls itself a tech superpower, but its jets still rely heavily on cockpit technology. Then comes Pakistan, which has neither the technology nor a clear policy. It only has outdated aircraft with fancy names like JF-17. Turkey and Azerbaijan are also anxious, especially as India strengthens defense ties with Armenia. Today, India is no longer just a buyer. It's a supplier, a service provider, and a manufacturing hub. But none of this matters unless it translates into real change on the ground. So, what will change by the end of 2025? According to projections, this new Safran unit will create around 150 direct jobs by the end of 2025. But the real strength goes beyond job numbers. And yes, India's ambitious Kaveri engine project, led by DRDO, is also picking up pace. Right now, these units are focused on maintenance and repair. But there's no doubt that in the future, full engine manufacturing will also be done in India. Why? Because the market for fighter jet engines in India is enormous. And once a company like Safran enters, it's nearly impossible for them to leave. So, when a French company like Safran invests heavily in India, it's not just about business, it's a powerful statement of trust. While the world hesitated, France stepped forward. So, if you're proud of this leap in Indian defense capability, drop a congratulations, India, in the comments. Like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such informative updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Jai Shri Ram.